St. Paul's is an independent boarding school. We're one of only two 100% residential boarding schools. So we serve a 9th through 12th grade population, so residential high school. We're located on roughly 2,000 acres of semi-rural land outside of Concord, New Hampshire. It was founded as an Episcopal school, so we have a connection with the Episcopal Church. Those involved in the founding really saw that nature can prove to be an incredibly powerful educator, not just in the hard sciences, but in those affections of our soul, the things that we care for most deeply.
It's really rewarding to be thinking about the next generation that's going to school here. Thinking about when they grow up and they go to throw an apple in the garbage somewhere, it will feel wrong. They will look for ways to recycle that food or to find a place to put it in to compost. And I just think it'll have a tremendous impact on the future generations to come, and I feel so honored that we get to be a part of that.
You know, at the end of the day, they are high schoolers. They are still learning how to be change agents. And it would be naive to think that all of the solutions come from the students. But I'm a firm believer that most of the energy, motivation, and passion does.
And so they're looking at absolutely every department, every material that a student or faculty brings to the campus, any vendors that come to campus, identify all of those streams and look for ways to manage them.
But I think a lot of people don't know that there is an issue with landfill capacity, and there is a better way to keep items in the cycle.
Where's there low-hanging fruit that can have a big impact? And food waste is one for all of us. So we're sitting in a state where there is no food waste legislation today, no ban, but we're surrounded by other states that have had food waste bans in place for years. And it's had a tremendous impact on the amount of material that large generators like these campuses have been able to now divert.
I nominated St. Paul's School for this Sustainability Leadership Award because they're doing great things with their grind-to-energy system at their dining hall, capturing a lot of food waste. This was really the first high school in New Hampshire to implement this technology.
Institutions that have food service operations to think about the sustainability of their food, the opportunity just in this mundane activity that we do every day, 3 times a day, is absolutely immense. And every time we take a step to reducing the material waste, we are working as agents to minimize those future harms.
And it's just an incredible piece of equipment that helps them have this really successful, robust food waste diversion program.
Engaging students in the environment, engaging ourselves in the environment is a way to cultivate a spiritual sensibility in our lives. And that spiritual sensibility can deeply inform the ethics that we live by, the sort of habits that we cultivate to be people of purpose and intention in support of a common good. On behalf of St. Paul's School and the team that has worked incredibly hard to drive sustainability on our campus, the folks in operations, in facilities, in our partners at Flick, in dining services, I am thrilled as the environmental steward to accept this sustainability award. It's a testament to all of the hard work of our students and our adults on this campus to work for a more sustainable and healthy future.